All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. My name is Hassan. They call me H. We are live. It is Thursday, May 7th. SPY is gapped up massively. Got a few things on the scanner this morning. What's up, Pond? Appreciate it. Good luck to you, sir. Uh, Should be an interesting day. I thought HIMX was setting up to hold this guy right here at the open, but that thing got destroyed just now. So we shall wait and see. Pretty low volume though on both of these red candles here. This might be an even better spot. Right into the whole dollar level of 15 here. I don't know. Don't know. Oh, excuse me. Got you over here. It's crept over that 200 EMA. Feeling a type of way about it. I don't know. The chart's not really great. You got a lot of volume in this range that it's moving into right now. Well, a lot of trading action, not necessarily a lot of volume. Most of the volume, well, yeah. Yeah, it's got some volume there. 2754 to 3803. Guess we'll see, man. Just have to be patient. Try to look for some A plusness. Ran out of patience yesterday. Took some trades I'm not too proud of. But went over some of my A plus setups just to remind my eyeballs what they look like. And hopefully get something good going today, because it's been a rough couple days. Max loss today. We're gonna be dropping back down to the previous risk level. That'll be kind of sad. MX is looking really interesting off the open though. Really interesting there. Man. Got some nice stuff on Watch Pond. I would imagine with such a huge gap up from this SPY. I guess it closed at 734 yesterday. 733.83. Super big gap up here. Wave Rider, what's up, bro? What's up, Rob? Thank you, sir. It's been a dark couple days. All right, Rob. Yeah, me too, Wave Rider. Me too. I be wanting to be brave and just take that joint. Just take it. especially off the 15 looking so good right there.
RUN.
Run. Run, 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 run. Sun run. Sacks.com. Not a bad daily there from Run. Kind of the same recovery situation as you. Yo, what up, Bobby? No trade day, huh? Man, that's good. I hope I can do that. Stand on the business. If this thing hold 15, it could be really interesting. Looks like it's probably gonna snap though. Uh, uh. Yeah, I got to, man. Man, that was nice on the 15, bro.
mRNA. EXK.
Mm.
VTRS. FSM.
Yeah, I was sitting here watching it, Rob. I was sitting here watching it. Had the nice 15-minute low volume pullback in pre-market too. It was pretty chill. It was pretty chill.
mRNA. EXK. EQX.
Order filled.
UUUU. mRNA. mRNA.
Yeah, I was.
mRNA.
Yeah.
EQX.
Oh, I gotta scroll it or something. There we go.
EXK. FUN. mRNA. EQX. COLD.
Yeah, this was wild.
Order filled.
That was wild. Should have just been sitting on hands for hymns. MX.
WRBY.
Or at least wait for that second red candle, but this is pretty high volume. That was.
CELH. EXK.
It's volume coming in. You get a nice scary entry to take right there instead of that stupid one on you.
mRNA. EQX. HRB. mRNA.
Order filled.
CELH. CELH.
Appreciate you, T-Lo.
CELH.
Well, could have waited for that two candle pullback to come around.
PRMB.
Just being too hasty, bro. Again.
EXK.
Just totally wasting my first bullet today.
U.
That's interesting. Be nice to see 20 make it to the bid side. Napoleon Hill. I've read a couple of his books. At least one anyway. There we go.
CELH. CELH.
Joker just won't hold up, man. Whoa. Down she goes.
U.
Man, there's my 2 candle pullback I needed to wait for. Patience is just terrible today. I went in with a much wider stop on my last trade. Taking some out at the top up there to survive. Momentum on this thing. Tape is moving slow. There's some nice size orders on the ask. Take out that 1702. Whoa. Okay then. There's a sight for sore eyes.
U.
PTRN.
$17.30. Nice.
U. EQX.
Clean that up.
EQX. EQX.
$13,000 shares at 28. Whoa. Sold to the man in green.
EQX.
Just broke that 15-minute flag there. Will it go? This thing been really sucky to read on the level 2 and tape. Tape is slow. Spread is wide. Just a bunch of nonsense. Guess you could always not trade it.
VTRS.
Okay.
VTRS.
Come on in. Your team looking real good now.
VTRS.
We got some big shares sitting at 50. Big shares. 84,000. For real? Oh my God. Do we have a chance to get through that? Jeez. I don't know, man. That might be the wall. Golly. I mean, we could at least try. We could try. Feel inclined to move my stop under this candle. Libby. Is it on Audible? I got mad credits on Audible I need to use up. This is diabolical. You can do it. It's not that many shares. Good morning, Knives. The winner effect. Come on, take out that man's at 50, bro. No. Super molasses, bro. Highest volume gainer on this joint. Molasses like a mug, bro. Yeah, my buy should have been down here or down here. That's my regret here. Not that this is a terrible way to enter, but I just can't believe I wasted any attention on you when MX was clearly the one in play. Yeah, I'm trying to get there, Trey. This was clearly the one when I was looking pre-market to, like, if I was gonna pick only one, this was it. But got a little impatient. Bro, if we can get over 1750, that would be really wild. this one's real. I don't even want to talk about you. U's bad. My entry on him X was pretty weak as well. Setup is better, but entry was bad. Blasphemy. Yeah. Lower day is the only way. Um, just still fighting the demons, man. But don't do it. Don't do it. You worked so hard. Um, I didn't make the official list, but I went through my A plus trades in my journal before the open. I didn't get them organized like I wanted to, but I put eyeballs on them before I started trading. Ooh, that looks nice. Can't trust anything though. This whole thin tape, old thin tape spready box. Now, if we get a new high after this, we get over 1750. I'm raising my stop after that hold. Come on, man. You can do it. You can do it. I got my construction worker shirt on today. Ooh, that's cool. Come on in. Come on in. I'm telling you, bro. Give it up, bro. This is a stick up. Man, they got mad shares on the ask at 1750 though. It's our second time coming up here. Did we even try last time? Yeah, we got the 49 last time. Like, can we just sell one share at 50? Or buy one share at 50, I guess, is what I really want to see. Somebody put down the money. Like, whose man's is this?
VTRS.
You in ATRA, Trey? Dang, that's a nice entry there, sir. What's target?
VTRS.
Oh, nice. What you get on the sale? How many auras? Oh, nice.
RXO.
47. 49. Golly. Thought it was bad before. Oh, snap. We got some 50 sales. Oh, snap. Come on. You can do it. Yes, we did it. We broke through. All right. Stop up to 08. We'll do 7. All right. All right. Oof. Max loss is covered. Can we keep it moving though? Oh, what a heartbreaker to come back down and get stopped. But I mean, it just if it breaks structure now, it's like, bro, it's not going. Just gotta accept it. Reapproach. Come on, man. Don't you dare come back down here. We got 59s right here. That does not look like the same high. And high a day is 72.9. Come on, we need the bids going up. There we go.
VTRS.
I've seen 60. We got that higher high. Got 63. 72 threes high a day. It's like a breakout at this point. Looking for 18 minimum. Yes. Yes. Morning, OG. What up, man? Trade day or no trade day? Bobby had a no trade day, and he was like, OG probably got one too. You been gone a while though, so you probably been in the trenches. Bruh, don't even try it. We touched 69 right there. No trade day. Bobby called it. Yo, there we go. New high of day. Yes, sirski. Bobby totally called that one. What is this? 15, 16? Huh? Makes sense. 1788. Ew. That would be sad. Finally put a hotkey on get more data. I think 1788 is all time high. That's right where it went to, too. $17.84 price guarantee. I didn't even see you give that, Rob. Can we crack it though? Appreciate you, Trey. I'm trying, bro. That consistency is just still feels so far out of reach. But like my brain is like I know the things that I want to do and the things that I need to do is just making myself do them in the moment, controlling my
CDE.
emotions in the moment, and not letting FOMO, like the need to get in the trade right now, take over what I know, you know. That's the whole wrestle right now. I might regret not taking some out up there, like on principle. I should have. Yeah, that's wild. That's wild. Oh man. Oh man.
CELH.
Interesting. Damn it. Look at that, bro. That's awful. That's awful to see.
CDE.
Fumbled the bag. The bag has been fumbled. If it breaks 1722, I'm cooked. Thanks, Honcho. Yeah, I know. All time highs, and I'm just like, uh, uh, the greed. The greed. Nasty high volume rejection, too.
CDE.
Low 1710. Got my stop in the right spot. See what happens. Hope those 1750 guys don't come back. Yeah, I wildly not taking some. It was sitting there at 88 too for a minute. Like all time high, all time high, all time high.
CDE.
Sell some shares. Sell some shares. Yeah, I heard you, Bobby. Could have top ticked that bad boy. Nice job, Trey.
CELH.
What grade was this trade again? The overall setup was A plus. The entry was pretty weak though. Like if I entered right here, it would have been A plus for sure. Well, maybe not A plus, but if it hit 1720, you short. Oh, thank you. It touched 1720. What's it gonna be? Yeah, the daily's A plus, so it does have potential. But I mean, just looking at the work it just did, it just makes sense to take some profit there and reassess. Could be at a reload spot right here instead of sweating. Yeah, earnings. Got 720 just sitting there. Thin as a piece of cheese on the vid. To reload, I ain't let off none. I ain't let off none. This candle hold though, it is very tempting, Trey. But this high, this slappage right here is diabolical. Buy it up. Go away. Over 35. Add a little bit. I ain't got no room. I'm already down one arm, man. I can't put no more risk on. There goes 35. Ugh.
CELH.
I could have put some more risk on and just held this stop. Probably would have been like half our risk potential. Nice higher high, higher low right here. Can we see some actual buy volume come back? Take out 50 again. And that 15-minute candle closed red too. It's not that bad of a thing though. Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling. Did you put that short in, Honcho? Are you still waiting? It's coming back down for you. Now it's looking like that. You did put it in? Bad man. Yeah, it does for sure. Not the kind of story I was wanting to see. Stop is 1457. Huh? 1757?
FOUR.
That break got Trey right.
CELH.
Damn. Damn. I almost want to keep my original stop now. But that rejection is pretty hardcore. Not gonna move my stop back down. Damn.
Order filled.
Damn. That's crazy work, man. That's crazy work.
Order filled.
I like this one though. I like this one.
VTRS.
Nacho about to eat my shorts. Look at this. Look at this. This is my butter right here.
EQX.
Yeah, bro. Nah, not yellow. Got the 15-minute red. Got the 2 light 5-minute pullback candles into the whole $1.17. Yeah, I know, Rob. I tripped. I tripped hard. I'm about to make it right here, though.
EQX.
Come on, 57. Come on, 57. Yeah, I know, OG. This could have been trade number 2 right here. Could have been trade number 2 with some R's in the bank, feeling comfortable. Sorry though, the risk on this one's way tighter.
EQX.
Choo choo. Yeah, this is right where I want to be right here. But I mean, it's kind of sketchy after that. But you know, higher high. See how it goes. Good time of day too. Get that Europa pop at 11. Europa. Nah, I wasn't even thinking about the tight risk. Just the setup. Come on, take out that guy right there. Tight risk is a bonus. It ain't really that tight either. 23 cent, 25 cent. Yeah, I don't know. You know how often your stop out is the best buy? Or my stop out anyway. It's gotta hold up though. Gotta take out 45. Yesterday was all emotion. Today was actually seeing my setup. Yeah. If they do, I'm out. Nah, don't quit now. Don't quit now. Nah, I feel good today. Getting that stop out at break even was very helpful for my mental. Even though it sucked that it went down like that. But, you know. But come on, 57, 57. Nah, I don't want you to lose, Honcho. Stop loss. Oh, snap. Come on with it, man. It's still looking sketchy though. Like, can we get some momentum, bro?
CELH.
You know I'm not moving my stop into this price action, Rob. Nah, I mean, yeah, I wish I could have been patient for that trade. It would have been way nice. But this one right here is 15-minute red. Got it on this one. 15-minute red, then the 5-minute low vol. Really nice. This Joker playing around though. Playing around though. Man, when I miss the red buy, I just gotta wait for the next red instead of take this kind of entry, man. Cause this could have been crazy tight right here. Even if I bought the low here and put my stop there, it would have been so much better. Yeah, I'm looking for that 11 a.m. pop. Hopefully we run right through 57. No price guarantee. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Look at that. 50 sitting on the ask. Yes. Honcho, it was nice riding with you, sir. A 10. Told you this one right here was solid, bro. I know, chapter 7. I ain't even made it to, I know, right? I ain't even made it nowhere yet. Talking mess. Let me chill out. Let me chill out. Should have held my damn stop, bro. Stop me out by 10 cents and then run. Whew. I'm way too stubborn, OG. Admittedly. At least I gotta sell at high a day, bro. At least. $3 minimum. Yeah, I wish I wasn't thinking about that. I definitely would have sold through it just like when it gets to the move and it's only like 2R, it just feels like it ain't really moved yet, you know? Like, oh no, I still got some left, man. Still got some, but it's really about the entry that gets the R's. So I might have to go back to covering this joint up and just trading the chart. Cause this was just like the most obvious sell right here in the world. Should have been like half off here and another half off at all-time highs. If I was actually executing like a boss. Come on, 60. I see you trying to sell all them shares right there. We'll take it. 1740. Oh, you know when to cut. Play with me. Come on, 60, get out the way. There we go. Holla. Yeah, you right. You right, Knives. This is a practice account. I'm trying to refine and execute a strategy though. I'm not just like about snatching money because it's there. You know, I'm trying to build something that has a really high risk to reward ratio and a decent accuracy. I just yeah, Rob was rightfully mad today. That was ridiculous to close red on this move right here. I admit I deserve to be shamed. I deserve to be booed. I apologize to myself and to the chat. This despicable execution. Can't be like that one guy who has no shame. My man's will roll right into a lecture in the midst of the worst executions known to man. Yeah, I'm green on the day. Slightly. Yeah. Sarcasm getting better. All right, Rob. You guys might be kindred spirits, Knives. Then the squeeze on you. You see the light now. Come on with that. What does mine say? I don't know. I didn't need an EMA to tell me to enter here and sell there. You know, pretty obvious. Pretty obvious. We will not cover. No.
CELH.
Come on, 50 spot. There you go. Get them bids up. Get them bids up. I know I really should put my stop up there. At least up to like 27. I'm gonna wait for one more high to get made. Yeah. Yeah, the entries where the R is made, not holding for forever. I agree to that, Bobby. I just had a little lapse in judgment there. A little greed. It's a little harder to sell when I'm sitting red already. That's why I like going past my max loss and messaging my broker to increase it so I can make it back. It never works because I always try to make it back in one trade. And sometimes I'll get a really good trade and I won't sell because it ain't enough yet. So I just know not to do that. I'm already compromised. Yeah, boy. Come on now. Damn, bro. I sure could have sold up there, though. I gotta do better. Question is, will I sell this time? That's the real question. Because now I feel like it's gonna go even further. Now I feel like we got 1850 in the bag, you know. Slippery slope. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna get that high though, Trey. You gotta be being sarcastic. I'm up 1R right now. Oh yeah. That's just arbitrary though. Well, if I look at this move here, where's my 15 at? First move off the open. That's kind of unrealistic though. That was about $3. 1640. That would be like 1940. The demons. Look at them go. All right, we'll get a new high here. I will move my stop up to 27. Um, really could have been there already. Could be there now. Could be there now. Just feels kind of rangy though. need 69. Tape's starting to look pretty. Oh yeah. Stop it, Rob. You're short 1755. All you shorts can eat my shorts. Come on, 69. Ole do it. Uh-huh. Stop up 27. Yes, Sirski. Look at that strength right there. What to do, what to do. They here now. They here now. Come on, 18. I need you. Oh.
You.
You. Come on, baby. Bust through that high. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Come on, baby. Little ignition volume here. Mm-hmm. There's 89, new high a day, baby. Oh my God. Help me, please. It's pretty stretched out on the one. Pretty stretched out on the one. Oh, we eat my shorts. The force is strong within. Oh, snaps. Look at that. That's scary. That's scary. Oh, snap. Look at that fat order. 92,000 shares on the. Cleared him out. Oh, man. What do we do? Heart rate chilling, though. Trey, don't be being sarcastic right now. I be needing the real support right now, bro. We here, but don't talk to my demons. Talk to me.
You.
So that means you did nothing, Rob? Is that what that means? BTFD. Oh. Yeah. Made 8 cents. Got another 15-minute red at the moment. Be nice if it closes green though. Got 7 minutes on it. A lot of work can happen in that time. Got 70 back on the ask. Nice looking hammer time right here. It's looking delicious. No, though, that one might want to come crash down a little bit. Find some more liquid.
You.
You. Come on, him X. What are we waiting on? It could definitely dip again. It could definitely dip again.
You.
This could be the buy right here, though. Yeah, looking like the buy. That was it. See, if I had some R's banked, I might be a little more aggressive right now. Yeah, I know. We'll see though. We need to make some new highs to really confirm the dippage. The dippage on the chippage. Short again, 75. Okay, Rob. Potential 11.7. It's gonna take some diamond forging to get there. Man, the bid is paper thin.
EQX.
What a stalemate, bro. Everybody just standing there looking at each other. There's your 61. Nah, my stop's above break even. Can't be that foolish.
EQX.
Gotta minimize the foolery.
EQX.
That's a good question, Trey. No, I think my mental's pretty exhausted after all of this. Let's just shut her on down if I stop out here. I've not been on point today at all. Although I really like my last entry. I could have sold it higher day though. Imagine, could have definitely been up over 4R today just by executing properly. Okay, got another 15-minute red close. Nor should they.
EQX.
Out.
CDE.
Well, I'm supposed to make it by getting good entries and selling at target, not by trading over and over again until I get what I want. I had my opportunities today.
EQX.
Just fumbled the bag. Took a dumb trade on you to start the day, and then lesser than ideal entry on him X when I should have just waited for the next red pullback since I missed this one. And then didn't sell up here. And then, you know, now we're looking at one good execution here. Probably should have sold up there, but I think we're looking to stretch our legs over the highs this time around, maybe. Knives gets it. Low 52. We can take out this high, man. I can move my stop up to 49 and lock something in. Lock in something. I'm telling you, bro, I can't get a single extension candle. Like one extension candle. 4 hours just hindsight. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't want to trade my P&L. That's I don't want to do that. I want to execute the chart. Those big $1,000 days I had this covered up. I was trading like this. And then after I finished, I would look and see what I did. I couldn't believe when I pulled that thing back and it was a comma right there. Like, what's the reason? What do you mean? Volume is kind of dead now. But the price hasn't fallen much off the highs until now. No, I don't think it's a scalping system. It's you know, I'm looking for the level to level move. So buying at pre-market high and selling at all-time high was the move to be done. Um, you know, this was bought this off of this level here and made it to the next level. It's supposed to sell and just be happy with whatever that is. Supposed to take out 90% right there and not look to, you know, not really looking for that much bigger of a move than that. Then, I mean, could have added back here and then sold the same level again. You know, that would have been some executions to be proud of for sure. Well, there goes that. Oh, well, thanks, Rob. I think you covered a bit too much there, sir. covered a bit too much there, sir. Because I'm compromised, knives. I've been compromised. Yep, could have took off right there, and then we'll be looking for the next trade right here. Bada boom. Bam, bam. What a day. I find my execution of it to be random. I don't think the system itself is random. Level to level is pretty simple. Buy at one level, sell at the next one. Feels like a green day. That's cool. Next time.
Order filled.
What a day. Yeah, sure did, Rob. Two of them. Could have been up 4R, made back both my red days. Email client relations and tell them what. Ten. Damn, that was some bad trading today, yo. Had it right there in my hands. Size up. Yeah, I totally deserve to size up. Totally. Feeling like one more for the road.
CDE. UUUU.
Order filled.
It's whispering. There goes that. Yeah. Almost had it. Average down.
Order filled.
Nah, I told you it's $2 above 20. It's maxed for sure now. I wish I would have thought about this being my third max loss day and needing to go back down a risk level because of today. That might have kept me out of that last trade. Oh, damn. Lost a lot today. Hmm. Yeah, I'm going back to 5 tomorrow. Um, all 3 days that I went max loss. Yeah, but green and getting to a sell area is different. But yeah, it might be something to look at anyways. Well, today was such a fail, bro. Such a fail. This was my last trade. Oh yeah, when I was kind of spazzing out at the end. Yeah, this trade got in at what 32.71, and it made it up to 33.18. But it's just a bad buy. I'm not selling that. I did think to move my stop to this wick right here though. That would have been reasonable, especially after the lower high. Uh, Saw a little bit of green on pins, not much. I guess it went back to high a day though. Well, sorta. Man, this one was really sucky. Beginning of the spiral right there. I feel like I'm losing my grip again. Just losing the patience, man. So at least wait for the red, like my entry today. I don't know. I don't know. Gosh, today to have two high day touches after entries and do nothing. Oh my god. That's crazy work. What's that, Trey? 1 to 1. This guy. Yeah, I don't know. Might need to go back to just covering up the R's and just trading the chart, man. Such an obvious sell up there. That idea, what if it keeps going? Yeah. Yeah, the one stock too for sure. Mm, dang, that's crazy work. All right, Rob. Yeah, I'm getting out of here too.
EQX.
Yeah. I got to get that entry out of my repertoire. Buying the break of a close over a green candle. Nah, I'm not. I'm at max loss. I'm not gonna message my broker. It's so embarrassing. It's like the most shameful thing ever. At least it's I guess it's not as bad with client relations because it's an email. But when I like used to message Andy like, "Hey Andy, can you raise my max loss?" Sure, buddy. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, back down. I hate dropping risk like that. But that's the whole point of the ladder is to drop back down when you start acting stupid so you don't destroy your account. So that's what must be done. Womp womp. Man, I almost had the chance to make it back today too. Keep on trucking. Man, mindset is such a trip in this game. But you know what though? Nai's been telling me I need actual sell rules. That this is a day when it just becomes super clear, like having that dynamic selling. It's just it's not good. It's not good. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for hanging out, man. Tomorrow will be better. God willing. Peace.